Hey, what's going on everyone? It's Kevin with DeviceNet and I'm really excited because I have here the brand new OnePlus 6. I've been a long time iPhone user and this is my first Android phone, so I'm really excited to give it a try. Alright, so inside the box we've got the OnePlus 6, the dash charger, a SIM ejector tool, which I can't seem to pick up, right here, an included case, which is pretty cool, some literature, and that's it. So right away I can tell I really like the look and feel of the phone. It feels really solid, high quality. I really like how the dual camera on the back, the fingerprint sensor, the flash is all lined up. It gives a really nice symmetrical look. There is a screen protector pre-applied on this phone, which I'll give it a try. I'm not usually a big fan of screen protectors, but we'll see how it goes. Along the bottom there's a headphone jack, charging port, and a speaker. On the side is the ringer, vibrate, silent slider, which feels really nice actually. Power button and volume button. So the screen is a 6.28 inch 2280 by 1080 OLED display with a 19:9 aspect ratio. My first impression, it looks really good. It's bright, colorful, big. It looks really nice. The one I have here has 6 gigabytes of RAM and 64 gigabytes of storage. So the cameras on this, there's 2 on the back, 16 megapixel with optical image stabilization, and then a 20 megapixel, both f1.7. They're capable of shooting video 4K 30 or 60 FPS, slow motion 1080p at 240 FPS, and 720p at 480 FPS. And there's also a portrait mode. As is with most phones in 2018, there is a notch. I'm sure everyone's used to it by now, so that's not really a big deal. Overall, I think it looks and feels really nice. I'm excited to use it. I'll be using this as my main phone, so remember to hit the subscribe button so you can get notified when I upload my full review.